Okay guys, we're gonna get right into the video. In this bowl here guys, I have some cornmeal. So we are gonna add about 3 teaspoons of flour to our cornmeal for our fried tomatoes, and we are gonna mix well guys. And then we are gonna add some complete guys, or whatever flavor of seasons that you want to use. Then we are gonna add some white pepper and some garlic salt guys. White pepper and garlic salt to this recipe. And then we are gonna mix well guys. And then we are gonna set this aside guys until we get ready to coat our tomatoes. And I have an egg here guys, and we're just gonna use 1 egg. You can also use milk in this recipe if you want, but I don't use milk. I just use 1 egg, and I mix it well. And I am going to coat these tomatoes with this egg, and then we are going to dip our tomatoes into the cornmeal after we coat it with our eggs guys. We're going to get right into seasoning these tomatoes guys with a little pepper and a little salt guys. Okay guys, I am just going to leave the tomatoes right here on my little cutting board. We're just going to add a little salt onto our tomatoes, just like this. Then we are going to add some pepper. And I like to put a little extra black pepper on these tomatoes before I fry them for a little more flavor guys. You know, I like that crazy flavor. I like that flavor when you bite into something that just linger on, guys. Okay, so what you do after you season your tomatoes, you are going to kind of rub them around. That's all you have to do on each other. Now, guys, when you buy these tomatoes, if they are soft, don't buy them. But if they are hard, you know you can fry them, guys. Now, some people take them red tomatoes and they fry them. I tried it before, but I didn't particularly like that recipe. So after you season your tomatoes, you are going to dip your tomatoes into the egg batter, okay? Okay, guys, we're going to get right into dipping our tomato into our egg batter, guys. And this is just how I do it. And then we are going to take our tomatoes and dip into our cornmeal, guys. And just kind of move them around a little bit. I am going to fry these up in my cast iron skillet. Once again, guys, if you run into some green tomatoes, buy them, guys, and fry them up if you like green tomatoes. But I ran into these orange tomatoes, and boy, I said, wow, I'm not going to pass that opportunity up. So, okay, guys, we got our cornmeal over here. So we are going to dip our tomatoes into our cornmeal. Just like this, guys. And just cover it, just coat them. Just like you see, guys. Just coat them tomatoes like that. Okay. We're going to get this oil going, and I'm going to fry them up, and I'm going to show you how this recipe come out. Guys, once again, thank you so much for your support. And for you guys that support my sons, that's on YouTube also. We all thank you guys for your support. And I am also here to support you guys and your wonderful recipes. All right, guys, we're going to get this recipe prepared to just fry these tomatoes up. Once again, in this cornmeal, I got about 3 teaspoons of flour. You could put into your cornmeal. Now, guys, that's optional, too, because I have seen people fry these tomatoes with just regular cornmeal. They did not put any flour in it, so that's optional. All right, guys, we're going to get into frying these up, and I'll see you on the next video. Okay, guys, I got the oil heating up, and we're going to get right into frying these up. Guys, I'm going to let you see how this recipe came out, and I'll see you guys on the next video. God bless you. Thank you for coming into my home, keeping me company once again. Bless you. Bye-bye.